Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach cashew salad. Now, spinach has a ton of nutrients. Think Popeye and energy. Cashews also have some protein, so it's a nice combination. They really play off of each other. You know, the cashews are dense and crunchy, and the spinach is light and crunchy. What I'm going to do is dress the spinach first so that the cashews can sit attractively on top. Going to add some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, some chopped fresh chives. They're a really nice addition because they have kind of an oniony flavor, but they're not as powerful as raw onions. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. It can be deceptive adding salt to spinach because it looks like a lot of food, but it's really not that much food because it's so fluffy. So best to use a bit of restraint. So that's tossed, and then just sprinkle the cashew on top. And I use toasted cashews. And there you have a cashew and spinach salad.